Welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can lock your iPhone for a specific app. For anyone with young children or nephews, it will come as no surprise that youngsters love nothing better than playing with iPhones. This can be problematic, however, especially if your child access your phone and accidentally delete a valuable piece of data or contact information. So this is a very huge problem. To avoid this, simple go to the setting and go to the general, and inside the general go to the accessibility, and inside the accessibility there is in the last guided access. Go to the guided access and enable it. Okay, when you enable it, basically, for example, in my scenario, I give this iPhone to my child and and open a YouTube app, and inside a YouTube, for example, I open a Pink Panther cartoon for Pink Panther. Okay, but when I hold this phone to my children, then it will press the home tab or volume button or home screen button. So this will disturb the cartoon. Okay, and my child go to from other go to from YouTube to another app. Okay, so for example, I open this 35-minute cartoon for him. 3. Okay, now after pressing the home button 3 times, it show me the guided access. Okay, you can drag the area which you want to restrict the app. Okay, for example, I just draw this line with my finger and set the area that my child only allow in this portion of the rectangular, and press the start. After the start, for example, set a password. In my scenario, I set this one. Repeat it. Okay. After now, the guided access start, and now you see that when my child press anything inside this one, it will not help. Okay. So please first start and then enable the guided access. So now it will not allow me to press any button regardless of home tab or anything. Okay, just again stop this guided access by again pressing quickly 3 times the home button, and it will allow show me enter your passcode. Enter the passcode, and now first start. I start this one. Okay, for example, and did the guided access. First start this one and now press 3 times to again enable the guided access. Okay, now guided access start. Now I hold this one to my child, and even if it press anything, it will not work because guided is enabled. Okay, so just stop this one. So hope you understand that what is the purpose of guided access. Okay, so this is the guided access. Zoom this one, and now guided access is enabled, and your child will even not pause or stop or press any power button or home button. It will not in fact it will not impact on the screen, and my child is restricted to this app. Okay, we can also set the time limit of this guided limit. For example, this cartoon is 35 minutes, and I just want to give this iPhone to my child for 20 minutes. Then I can also set the time limit. This is very simple. Just again press the 3 times the home button and stop this one. enter the passcode, and after go to the option, and inside the option we can also allow the motion, keyboard, touch, or anything, or time limit. Go to the time limit, enabled it, and you can set the time limit also. Okay, so this is very simple. Hope you will understand this one. And this guided access, is ended. Now all, okay, not send the message to anyone, but also read this one. Okay, so in this inside the message app, I again enable the guided access by pressing 3 times the home tab, and now I just draw a rectangular above area that someone not, and okay, someone not enter a new message to someone or search it, but show that one. Start. So now you see that when you press on above screen, it will not work, but in below anyone can see the messages. Okay, but not inside the above rectangular above, not perform any action. So this is very useful feature of the iPhone, and it is just for your restriction, made for your restriction. Hope you will understand. So when you want to close or stop this guided access, just press the home button with 3 times and enter your passcode, and after that you will stop or end the guided access. So guys, hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any question regarding of this feature, then text me a message inside the comment. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.